What's up, you guys? My name is Delilah, if you don't know already. So, do you guys notice anything new? Y'all notice anything new? You notice anything? So yeah, if you guys didn't notice by now, I got some new motherfucking hair. I'm so bomb. I look so good. I feel like a goddess. Oh my god. So sorry that this isn't a first impressions video, but I was gonna do it. I was gonna do a first impressions video, but this is my first time cutting my own lace, so I didn't want to fuck that up on camera. I'm just not gonna take that risk because I spent a pretty good amount on this motherfucking wig. This wig, obviously you can tell by the title, I have so much controversy. Vivi, Hairvivi wigs. I did so much research on this hair. It's not even funny because wigs aren't affordable. Wigs are really expensive if you want a really good quality wig, and I've been beasting for, this isn't really like a full lace, but this is like a 6x6 full lace, so it still lays pretty flat. But I'm gonna tell you the details in a bit right now. This video isn't sponsored. They didn't send me this. I'm not working with them. I bought this with my own money. This is my true opinion. I did cut the lace already. I flat ironed it a little bit. I'm just letting it like flatten out a bit. So it comes in this little box right here. Super cute. I love the packaging. It's cute, it's chic. So it comes with two little clips and it comes with a comb. I didn't get my wig cap, but I guess it's because there's a wig cap already installed, but I still wanted a wig cap so that my hair could be extra flat underneath. But yes, I'm gonna just tell you guys what wig I got. This is the Victoria wig. This is like one of the most popular wigs that they have. Let me see, I'm gonna look it up right now. Okay, so I got the Victoria pre-plucked front lace wig, straight human hair, hair type is Indian virgin hair, hair length is 20 inches, color natural color, cap construction 6-part glueless full lace wig, hair density 180%, cap size medium, bleach knots, whole front, pre-made fake scalp is light brown, and additional elastic band is free. And they were having, I don't know if they probably still have the sale going on, but I got, with the sale, I think I got like $30 or $40 off, and it came out to $374. It's a lot of back and forth. The hair is over bleached, it's too many flyaways, it's this, it's not thick enough, it's blah 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 blah. I like this wig. I feel like it looks really natural and pretty, so I'm gonna just take it out right now. I do have one little tiny complaint. Hold on, let me take this off. Like a little funny because it's like super flat. I'm gonna need to comb it out a bit. Okay, so this is the wig. Let me look in the mirror a little bit. Hold on. Okay, so this is the wig. I didn't pluck anything. This is just straight out the box. All I did was cut the lace, and this is a wig. Look how pretty is that? So freaking pretty. Nice little hairline going on. I don't think I'm gonna do any baby hairs. I'm getting over the whole like baby hair phase. I'm not a baby anymore, you know. I'm a grown-ass woman. I don't really mind it without any baby hairs. I feel like it looks more natural that way, but I'm really fucking obsessed. I don't see any over bleaching. I did notice though, not gonna front, on this side on the hair in the top, there's a lot of short hairs. It's so short, so when I was straightening it and when it became like really bone straight, they started to like, I was getting flyaways. But it's a fucking wig, you know. It's not your hair, it's a wig, you know. Like, even if someone has a perfect ass wig, when they're putting the wig on a celebrity, they still gotta tweak it a little bit to make it look even better than what it already is. So, but I fucks with it. Like, I really like this hair. People were saying that the hair smells good. I just feel like it smells like hair. I never had a problem with getting like a wig or like weaves with like that bad scent. I guess I'm just lucky, I guess. But yo, I can't stop touching this shit. My wig took like 2 weeks and a few days to get to my house. I guess the large size and the small size is a little bit more custom, so it might take a little bit longer, but with me it only took like 2 weeks and a few days. I'm so freaking happy that I got it. And yeah, this is my review. I'm not experiencing any shedding right now. I'm fucking obsessed with this wig. This wig is DD approved. I fucks with it. I love it. I feel, oh, nobody can stop me. Nobody can fucking stop me. Oh, so okay, the only little complaint that I have, I don't know if it's because of the way that I put on the wig. I'm not really good, you know, with cutting, like I said, the wig and all that stuff. So, you know, you have to cut the hair, or I don't know, you need to cut the lace right here around the ear. See, ooh, you can see that shit around the ear, right? But the problem is they have a sewn in elastic band inside, and where I'm supposed to like cut the area around my ear is where the band is at, and it's like a thick band with like Velcro on it. See, like, how the fuck am I supposed to cut this part? And then if I try to put it behind my ear, it just keeps my ear, like, it sticks out. So yeah, I don't know. I honestly don't know, because see, like, my ear sticks out, but I need to cut this part, which I don't fucking understand. I love me a middle part, yeah, but I'm known to like my hair looking wild, so I like to like push it to the back a lot. But it's like, what if I want to show my ear, bro? Like, see, like, see, oh fuck, don't look at that. And I'm supposed to, like, this shit is supposed to be free, so I don't know. I'm just gonna fuck with it like this for now, because it's already, like, I already put got to be glue to stick my glues down. I use these two. Kind of afraid to use the whole ghost bond thing, but I just use these two for now, so I can take it out at night if I'm getting too tired and my head is starting to hurt. But it fits like really comfortable. Like, my hair, like, I'm not getting a headache. It doesn't feel super tight. And yeah, that's it for my motherfucking review. I hope you guys get a wig like this. It's super pretty. I really do recommend it. But okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Like I said before, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you can, and subscribe if you're not already. It would mean the world to me. Okay, bye.